And I'm Bill.
And we're the real estate agents of Miami.
Welcome to another episode of the Real Estate Agents of Miami. My name is Bill.
And my name is Donald. Today we're going to talk about how to get ready to move.
My favorite subject. Because I just moved.
He just moved. Make sure if you like this video that you click on the bell at the bottom of the page. You can also follow us on Instagram or Facebook, or you can give us an old-fashioned phone call if you like as well.
So at this point, I'm sure all of you have followed all of our other video and suggestions. You picked the right real estate agent. You've got your house ready to show, and you prepared your house for appraisal. You did everything you were supposed to do, and now your house is under contract. You've gotten through the inspections, the appraisal, and now it's like, oh no, what do I do? It's time to move.
So you have a lot of options when it comes time to move. Let's talk about the old-fashioned option, if you will. Calling a professional moving company, they come in and they'll move everything for you. Now you have a lot of different options with these. You can do a full service type of contract with them. They will come in, they will pack everything for you. They will put it all together, they will take it to the new place, they'll even unpack it in the new place if you want. But be prepared to pay a lot of money for that.
And make sure you look and make sure that people are licensed and insured. Check the Better Business Bureau. You know, a referral from a friend is a great way to find a mover, because not all movers are not all created equal, as with everything else. It's important to get a good one that does a good job for you.
And be very specific when they come out to give you a quote. You never want to last minute charges. The movers are counting on you not knowing what you want on the day of the estimate, but knowing once you get to the crisis point during the middle of the move. They will always charge you more on the day of the move than they will on the day of the estimate. If you're complete and explaining everything you need, then you're going to know what it's going to cost you to get ready and get out of this place. You need to do as much of the work as you can yourself, because the more you leave on them, the more they're going to charge you.
Again, if you've been watching our videos and you got your house ready to sell, then you've packed away all your tchotchkes, your extra stuff, your artwork, it's all done. So there's not much to do. But in case that's not the case, make sure that you give yourself enough time to take care of these things. Because what happens is, by the time you get through your inspection and appraisal, you only have a couple of weeks left to get this done. So it's really important to be on top of things.
Also, ask the moving company, what would storage cost in the event something happens at the last minute?
Because it always does.
It does. Banks are uncontrollable, title's uncontrollable, and sometimes things just don't close on time. So you always need a contingency plan. And once again, it's better to negotiate that on the day of the estimate than it is to negotiate that on the last minute when you need it.
Because although we write closing dates as a firm date on the contract, banks don't see it that way.
They don't use calendars there.
And things do change. So make sure you have a time cushion on either side with your movers, and also with your moving where you're moving to as well.
It's true. Now also there's another thing that's become very popular, and it's become popular because it works so well, and that's having a container delivered to your property.
Yeah, you can't do that with a condo, but with a house, for sure. A container delivered to your property lets you move at your own pace, let's say. Get everything moved in the container, they put it away until you're ready to take it down, then they bring it to you and you unload that yourself. Or you can have them do it, either way. So you have a lot of options there. The third way is the old-timey way, where you call a bunch of your friends, buy them pizza, they pack your bag, they pack your stuff, and they pack your truck. You rent a truck and you take it to your place. That sounds like a great idea, but in the end, quite often, you don't get it done in time, and it creates a lot of stress at the end of your move.
It does.
End of your contract.
And like Bill said earlier, you're on a time crunch when this happens. The last thing you want is me trying to do 5 days of work in one day on the very last day. You've got enough going on with closing on your next property, closing on the one you're getting out of. It's just too much. You definitely want to make sure that you have some type of help. If you're going to do it yourself, please, please, please plan ahead. Be prepared and be ready to get out of there.
All right, so now we've moved out of the house and we're ready to go into the new house. It's a great day in real estate.
Absolutely. It's all worth it once it's all behind you. Ask Bill. He moves all the time.
All right, y'all, that's all for today.
If you like this video, make sure you click on the bell at the bottom of the page. You can follow us on Instagram or Facebook as well. Always give us an old-fashioned telephone call. My name is Donald. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.